Cooking in a spacious kitchen with a decent kitchen bar is everyone's dream. Unfortunately, some people cannot get this privilege due to the limited budget or lack of space. Therefore, they have to forget this idea. Do not give up hope of carving out a cozy kitchen with a breakfast nook. We've summed up these 12 kitchen designs with breakfast bar ideas just for you. As always, SimpHome presents you with the countdown. Number 12. Sleek and bold. If the space in your kitchen is premium, you can make the island do double duty by expanding one side of it. This way, you'll get a protruding side that can be a decent breakfast nook. This small kitchen, for example, tames the limited space well. The kitchen set comes in black with lacquered countertop and breakfast bar, contrasting with the white walls nicely. Although the space is limited and the ceiling is relatively low, you can tackle it by painting the entire walls white or installing large windows or skylights. Number 11. A freestanding breakfast bar. Do you fancy a separate breakfast bar? You can try making one yourself. This breakfast bar is easy to make. You only need 2 upper cabinets and a plywood board for the top. Stain or paint it to your liking and that's it. The good thing about this breakfast bar is it offers additional storage solutions for your small kitchen. You can store canned goods, spices, or anything you want in your pantry. Besides, you can use it as a nice workspace. This way you can do your job while baking a cake. Number 10. How to add a breakfast bar to the kitchen island. The best way to get a breakfast bar without the hassle is by extending the top of your kitchen island. What if you don't have this? You can install this add-on to your existing island. To make this extension bar, you only need to screw a board or metal to the island. You can support it with L-brackets or even corbels. The latter will be your top-notch choice if you are into a classic look and want to add a bit of it to your kitchen. Number 9. A flip-down breakfast bar idea. You have endless breakfast bar selections. If an island extension doesn't work, try a flip-down breakfast bar. It offers many space-saving options for your kitchen. When you have breakfast, unlock the tabletop. Then push it up against the wall to clear up the room. It's recommended to build the flip-down table wall frame first, then sand and paint the table. Use a piano hinge to assemble the table. Next, install a support chain on each side of the frame to hold the table when in use. Then lock the frame. This lock will secure the table when not in use. Number 8. A pull-out the breakfast bar idea. This is another great solution for small kitchen cooks who want a breakfast bar. Instead of permanently extending the island, you can hide it inside. At first sight, this customized island looks like a kitchen. It contains a concealed board for eating breakfast easily. You can also use it for cooking. Try this rollout extension if you don't like a modern style or want something DIY-able. It has wheeled legs so it can roll off the island. Both extensions perform the same purpose despite differing designs. Number 7. A multi-purpose breakfast bar idea. Are you seeking a way to add more counter space and storage? This multi-purpose breakfast will be your safe bet. This breakfast bar can do more than just be a comfortable place to have a meal. It can be a handy kitchen island that offers more counter space. The good thing is you can move it wherever you want so you won't cram your kitchen. The drop-leaf extension offers ample space to have breakfast for 2 people. You can also find built-in shelves that you can use to house spices and condiments on both sides of this island. Number 6. Use the corner of your kitchen. Carve out a dedicated breakfast nook if you still have space in your kitchen corner. First, you'll need to build benches for the seat. Also, investing in ready-made seats. Then, add a table to round out the breakfast nook and enable you to enjoy your coffee. Although the choice is absolutely yours, selecting a circular table with one leg in the middle would be your greatest bet since it allows multiple users to enjoy the meal comfortably. Related to comfort, if you love cooking, our recommended resource will be the best for your passion. It is 10 ideal small kitchen set configurations for a busy cooker. Inside, you'll uncover a creative idea on how to free your hand while getting your phone charged, or how to transform the awkward corner area into a new floating shelf. With that said, let's continue our countdown with number 5. Extend the countertop. Have you ever considered expanding your countertop? This butcher block countertop spans the length of the wall beneath the window. Only one cabinet and several open shelves support both ends of the countertop, leaving a void in the center for 1 or 2 stools when not in use. Breakfast on this countertop would be ideal because you could eat while admiring your backyard flora. Number 4. A staggered kitchen island. Instead of mounting an extension at the front of the existing island to create a breakfast bar, you can install a wooden board on one side. This way, you will make the island longer. It would also be great to separate the breakfast and prep zones. You can do this by using different materials and varying the height. This kitchen island, for example, comes in a sleek black countertop that lends an elegant touch to the space. Next to the island is the low-profile breakfast bar made of butcher block. Since they do not share the same materials, you can recognize each zone clearly, although they're located in the same spot. Number 3. Return to the classic. This breakfast bar will be suitable for big families. You only need to build a bench along your L-shaped island. Then place a round clawfoot table to allow your veritable army to enjoy their breakfast comfortably. Besides, the particular design of the table will accentuate the classic ambiance in your kitchen. Number 2. Carve out the eclectic style. That is okay if you only have a compact kitchen without any islands. You can still carve out a comfortable breakfast bar. You only need to install a wall at the end of your countertop. Then top it with a wooden board. Remember to install L brackets to support the panel. After that, get 2 golden bar stools with burnt orange cushions to add a whimsical feel of an eclectic style. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1, the DIY kitchen island with breakfast bar. To begin, take some leftover 2x4 boards and construct 2 large rectangles with pocket holes. You may also use screws if you choose. We can't give exact measurements because it depends on your counter and cabinets, but here you want the support inset from the countertop's outer edge by a few inches. To achieve this, measure from the cabinet's back to where the countertop would end on the stool side and deduct the gap you want for the overall width of your rectangles. The height you need has to conform to your existing cabinetry. The next step is to make a second identical 2x4 rectangle and set it next to the first. This is optional, but it ensures that the support is roughly as thick as the bookshelf would be if you place it on its side. The following step is to screw the 2x4 rectangles into the cabinets from the inside. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.